Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here with a quick flip through of a uh, ephemera folio that I made using Cara Brandon's Forest Gnomes Christmas kit and her ornament pocket with gnomes. So very simple project, but I thought it turned out really cute. It took two top file folders for me to get this done. And I just made a tie closure. And this is one of Cara's kits from the Forest Gnomes. And then I just used a chipboard embellishment that I had here. So inside, when you open it up, you've got the two ornaments that are the ornament pockets with gnomes. So here I've used the red one or pinkish one. And as you can see, the ornaments, they come with just all sorts of ephemera. And I'm going to have the digitals linked below. There's one that says Merry Christmas. We've got some holly, a bell, a candy cane, a gnome, and a Santa hat. And those just all fit right in the pocket. And I've just embellished the pocket with a little bit of lace. And then from the Forest Gnomes, I used this Christmas tree and this gnome. I'll put those back in there a little more neatly later. And then I just did a little bit of stamping here. The background image is from the Ornament Pocket kit. And over here, we've got the blue ornament. A little more stamping. These two images are from the Forest Gnomes kit. And the background paper again is from the Ornament Pocket kit. And again, in this pocket, we've got some of the same, but some different. We've got another candy cane. We've got a couple of different gnomes. All sorts of fun stuff. A joy tag. A heart cookie. Peppermint. A couple of gifts. Poinsettia. And some more holly. So all sorts of great stuff for decorating. And my plan is to give this to a woman and her child with a few extra things so they can do some holiday crafting. Then I'll come over this way, and then this opens up, and I made angle pockets, sort of using the angle trifold that I've been doing, but it's obviously not a trifold. I just used them as pockets. So the paper I used is all from the Forest Gnome, along with this little ephemera piece, and I just stamped Have a Holly Jolly Christmas right here. And then I used and decorated just about most of the ephemera pieces from the Forest Gnomes kit. There's a tag where I just added a gingerbread in the spirit of Christmas. This one I just gave a little gold outline, stamped Season's Greetings, and put a little lace pull tab on it. Here, just a little pull tab. Again, I outlined it in gold and stamped Love and Joy on it. They all have writing space on the back. And here I've got a large tag. And again, this is from the Forest Gnomes kit. I just stamped Joy on it, gave it a little pull tab. But as I was saying, the papers I've used here are from the Journal Pages kit. All three of them. I'm trying to think. I think this and this were on the same page, but opposite sides of the page. And then that was a background page. Then I'll just put everything back in it when we're done. Then this is a pocket from the Forest Gnomes Ephemera kit, or Ephemera section. We've got another little journaling card wishing you a very Merry Christmas, and just a little pull tab. This one I outlined in blue. Here's a tag from the kit. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. I just did some heat embossing with ornaments, and I used some of my Wink of Stella on the holly just to give it a little sparkle. And then here I made a pocket using some of the candy cane background paper. And this was a piece of the ephemera that I fussy cut out and just put that on top. And this was one of the cards in the ephemera, and some little fussy cut ephemera pieces, all from Cara's kit. Just add a little lace on that. That just slides right into that pocket. Okay, so it's going to drive me crazy if I don't put them back. I apologize. Put that one back in there. Partially because I'll forget how I had everything in there. All right, then we come over to this side, and we've got another pocket from Cara's Forest Gnomes kit, along with an ephemera piece. And then we had this large tag, and I used one of the fussy cut images from the kit and just heat embossed it with some clear to give it a little shine. And I put Nuvo drops on the snowflakes to give them a little shine. I just used a star on top and put a fa la 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 sticker on the bottom. And then I made a belly band with some lace and a fussy cut from the ephemera kit. And then these two journaling cards. These two I didn't do a whole lot to. Just outlined this one in sort of a pinkish color, and here I outlined in gold again, and I did stamp Love, Peace, Joy on this one. So those go right in there, and the tag goes right in that pocket. And the pocket also helps keep these from sliding all the way through with the belly band. And then over here, I did the angles again, but this time they're both going the same direction. And again, this is from the kit. This paper is. And then we've got another card, and I just did a little stamping and used some watercolor to fill in the ivy. Put a little pull tab on it, outlined it in gold. Here I outlined this one in blue. Oh, and I used my Wink of Stella again inside the stars. You probably can't see it, but it just gives them a little bit of sparkle. Stamped Love, Joy, Believe on there, and a little bit of lace at the top. And then we've got this tag with a bow on it. 'Tis the season to be jolly. And then I made another large tag. This was actually the other side of this journal page, but I just thought it was so cute I had to do something with it, so I made a tag out of it, backed it with some glitter paper, just tied some ribbon through there. Be merry and bright. And that goes right in here. This was a page, a journal page, and this, I believe this bird actually was the top part of this page. So I did some messing around with the pages to make everything work the way I wanted to, and to be able to use the pages that I most wanted to use. So that is, let's see if I can figure this out again, the little ephemera folder that I made using Cara Brandon's Forest Gnomes and Ornament Pocket with Gnomes. Quick, simple little project this month because I'm trying to get a lot of things done, but I think it's really cute and I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. And I think these ornament pockets just add some fun to it with lots of little embellishing pieces to be able to play with. So that's it for now, guys. And until next time, I wish you all a wonderfully happy crafty day, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye-bye.